Here's how to get Shiny Mega Alakazam in Pokémon GO. Pokémon GO Mega Alakazam raids are a great way to acquire Shiny Alakazam and Shiny Mega Alakazam, whereas trainers must win the Mega raid consecutively to increase their chances of encountering Shiny. However, continuously killing the Mega raid monster necessitates considerable grinding. Users who seek a Shiny Mega Alakazam must first acquire a Shiny Alakazam. After winning the Mega Alakazam raid, a Shiny Alakazam may appear near the Pokémon GO raid location. This necessitates adequate meta-knowledge and well-planned responses to the Mega raid monster. Moreover, this tutorial will go over the best way to capture Shiny Alakazam and Shiny Mega Alakazam. Obtain Shiny Alakazam and Shiny Mega Alakazam from Mega raids. Mega Pokémon are one of the most powerful creatures in the game. However, their real horror emerges when they become raid bosses. Mega Alakazam's maximum Pokémon GO combat power of 5,099 climbs significantly when it appears as a Mega raid monster. In addition, the monster has a stat spread of 367 ATK, 207 DEF, and 146 STA, making it a powerful attacker. Pokémon GO trainers that beat the Mega Alakazam raid may meet a Shiny Alakazam. The Shiny encounter isn't guaranteed, however. Consistently winning raids may help the users to catch up to Alakazam's Shiny chances. Those who encounter and catch a Shiny Alakazam can eventually get a Shiny Mega Alakazam. To defeat such a powerful opponent, it's best to link up with others rather than undertake the Mega raid alone. Moreover, to consistently win the Mega raid, proper meta knowledge and effective countermeasures are required. The best approach to choosing countermeasures is to consider Mega Alakazam's vulnerabilities and resistance. These raid counters should also have Pokémon GO's same type of attack bonus potential attacks that target Mega Alakazam's vulnerabilities. Mega Alakazam's weaknesses include Bug-type moves, Dark-type moves, and Ghost-type moves, while the resistances are Fighting-type moves and Psychic-type moves. In this table, you can see the best Mega Alakazam raid counters. How to Mega Evolve Shiny Alakazam? Pokemon GO players that catch a Shiny Alakazam can Mega Evolve it into Shiny Mega Alakazam. In addition, to develop Shiny Alakazam into Shiny Mega Alakazam, 200 Mega Energy is required. However, the Mega Evolution requirement is reduced to merely 40 Mega Energy. Winning the raids may provide players with the appropriate quantity of Mega Energy.